Namaskar, I am Dr. Rajdeep Saha, consultant physician, currently practicing at Nimta, Belghoria, Birati. We know that yoga is very essential for smooth functioning of our cardiovascular system. So let's start with this yoga and how will you perform this yoga and what are the benefits of this yoga practice. So number one, that is a pranayama, that is also known as breath control yoga. How will you perform this? To perform this pose, follow the steps. Number one, sit comfortably in Padmasana with your spine tall and shoulder relaxed. Rest your hand on your knees in Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb touching. Close your eyes. Take few natural breaths to settle. For Anulam Bhilam, close the right nostril with thumb and inhale through the left for 4 counts. Close both nostrils, hold the breath for 4 counts. Release the right nostril and exhale slowly for 8 counts. Repeat on the other sides. Practice for 10 to 15 minutes, maintaining rhythmic controlled breathing throughout. So what are the benefits of this pranayama? It regulates our heart rate. Number one, it controls our autonomic nervous system so that our blood pressure as well as diabetes remains under control. And also that is very important as it is also breath control yoga practice, so it also expands our lung and helps in the expansion of the chest, and as well as overall well-being is dependent on this yoga practice. My next yoga is another very important, that is Dhanurasana or bow pose. To perform this pose, follow the steps. Lie flat on your stomach with arms alongside of the body, palms facing up. Exhale and bend both knees, bringing the heels toward the buttocks. Reach back with both hands and grabs with the ankles firmly, not the feet. Inhale and simultaneously lift the chest off the floor and raise the thighs. Pull the ankles up and back to deepen the bow shape. Gaze forwards. Keep breathing steadily in that pose and the breath will rock you gently. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then exhale and release slowly. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Now what are the benefits? As we know that it is a bow pose, so obviously it maintains a very good spinal flexibility. Number 2, our blood pressure, our sugar level is also controlled by this expansion. It will improve the oxygen supply to different organs. And number 3, chest and shoulder opening should be there, and also it will, as it prays our kidney adrenal gland, so kidney function and adrenal function is very much good, regulated by this Dhanurasana, and also by these ways it also boosts up our metabolism. So our next yoga, that is Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. This is a highly energy driving that is a yogasana. So to perform this pose, so follow the steps. Number 1, stand straight in front of your yoga mat with feet together and palms joined in front of the chest. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, gently arching your back. Exhale and bend forward, bringing your hands toward the feet. Inhale and take your right leg back, looking upward, and also hold the breath and move the left leg back into the plank position. Exhale the lower knees and chest and chin to the floor. Inhale and lift your chest into cobra pose. Exhale and raise your hips into downwards. Now inhale and bring the right foot forward between the hands. Exhale and bring the left foot forward, bending towards the legs. Inhale and raise up with the arms overhead. gently arching back, exhale and return to the starting position and palms join. Complete 4 to 12 rounds at a comfortable pace while coordinating the movement. So what are the benefits? Surya Namaskara is complete body workout that improves flexibility, circulations, metabolisms and overall vitality. Full body strengthening is given by this yoga asanas. Number one. Number two, our metabolism is boosted up with this asana or this yoga. And also it gives better energy and vitality, and postural and flexibility is also dependent on this Surya Pranama. And obviously stress reduction is very much important, and that is given by this Surya Namaskar or sun salutation.